Hey guys! Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I've done a skincare or makeup video or anything like that. I mean, I can barely remember the last time I've done one. But here I am in the days of coronavirus. I figured that it would be a great time to do a video since I'm home anyway, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are too. And it's good to be home. It's good to stay safe. It's good to isolate right now. The more you can avoid people right now, the better, honestly. And that's how I feel. That's how I think a lot of people should be living their lives right now until there's more clarity on the situation here and around the world. I think it's just a great time to really be home and, you know, get in touch with the stuff that you would do if you had time at home like we do now, you know? There's so many things that we could be doing right now at home, and just taking advantage of the time and being thankful that we're home and healthy and safe. Anyways, the point of this video is that a couple of months ago, I want to say, I went to an event and I got an awesome sort of goodie bag at the end of the event, and inside was this. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. And guys, when I say that I don't know how to do eyeshadow, people always think for some reason that I know how to do makeup. I don't. I do what I can. I do what I do. I do what I know how to do. But I just, yeah, I'm not really an eyeshadow person. I'm mostly like, I am an eyeshadow person in the type of person that will do like one shade, maybe two. And I probably own 5 shades of eyeshadow. So this was really exciting to me because I've always wanted to get an eyeshadow palette, even though I don't really do eyeshadow, just because they seem so fun, and there's so many different looks that you can do with them, and I just really love the look of eyeshadow palettes. People are crazy about them, but I never bought one because I was like, I don't know how to do it, so why would I spend money on it? So then I got this. I really want to try it out, even though I don't really know how to use it. So I figured, why not try it in front of you guys? Okay, so I finally got it out of that package. So this palette has a really nice sort of suede touch to it, which is really nice. It's sort of like made out of a velvet material. It has 14 different shades, including mattes and shimmers, whatever that means. So let's open it. Ooh, oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. Ah, look at that. Wow, I have to admit, I'm like kind of intimidated by all of these colors. And it comes with this brush. It has 2 ends. I think this side, if you can see, is like, I think you apply it with this, and then I'm guessing you sort of blend with this. Okay, so bear with me guys, I literally don't know how to do this, but I do know you're supposed to do a base color to help blend the colors, and then you can do a darker shade sort of here and in the crease, and then something sparkly like on this 1/3 or 2/3 of your eye. So knowing those basics, let's start. I'm gonna just, oh, you know what? I should put on an eyeshadow primer. So I do have an eyeshadow primer. I bought it from NYX, the brand NYX, because I was like, I'm not gonna spend a lot of money on an eyeshadow primer if I literally never wear eyeshadow. So I bought this at the drugstore. I use it sometimes, but when I'm doing like that one shade, I think I'm gonna start with this color first, the Dusty Rose, and I'm gonna use this side. Let's see. Oh wow, okay, that was a lot. Let's just put it, oh, okay, I'm just gonna put it all over. I guess I should be using this mirror actually. Oh wow, that's really pretty. And then I'm gonna blend it out with this side. So when Yusuf and I got engaged, that's my boyfriend, my fiance, we did an engagement photo shoot here in New York, and my friend Iten did my makeup, and she did eyeshadow on my eyes, and it looked so nice. And honestly, that kind of inspired me to also try out more eyeshadow looks. because I was like, oh, it's such a fun thing that you can do that I literally never do. Mostly because I feel like it takes up a lot of time, and I'm more of like, I just throw on a like, you know, winged eyeliner and I feel like I'm done. But yeah, okay, great. So that's the base. And then I think what I'm gonna do next is maybe try out some of this burnt orange. Do you think this will go? It's like purple and orange. Here we go, a little burnt orange, maybe in the middle. Oh, does that look weird? I have no idea what I'm doing. I do remember hearing that when you have sort of hooded eyes the way that I do, you should actually be going like up further, like up here, so that you can actually see the eyeshadow when your eyes are open, like as if you're talking to someone. So I'm doing that. Ooh, okay, so it's orange now. And now I think I'm gonna go like for something in the crease. I think I'm gonna use my own brush, actually, like a small one, just so that I can kind of have better control. I think that's a thing. And I'm gonna try this color, Sienna. It's a little bit darker. Just gonna take a little bit of that. Wow, a lot comes off. Okay, and I'm gonna put it in the corner. Pray for me. Oh wow, okay, that's a lot. Okay, it looks bad. But I'm just gonna put it on the other eye and then I'm gonna blend it out and I think it'll look better. Okay, blending, blending, blending. Like this. Oh, I also remember gently, gently, don't push too hard. Okay, okay. So that's what I'm doing, not pushing too hard. Does it look like I got punched in the face or does it look good? Okay, I think now I'm gonna do maybe a little like orange soda right here. I know I'm going like back to the lighter colors, but I just feel like everything looks a little bit dark and the same. So I'm gonna do orange soda, which is, can you guys see? Orange soda, which is that color, and put it here. Just to kind of like lighten it up. Yeah, I think that looks better. I have to say, it's always good to try something new. Sometimes I forget how nice it is to try new things, because I feel like when you try new things, it kind of takes you out of your comfort zone, but in a fun way. You're like, oh, you know, I don't know. I just feel like when you do new stuff, it's kind of exhilarating, even if it goes wrong. You should never be afraid for things to go wrong, because things will usually go wrong, and that's fine. Now the color that I'm so excited to try is this one, the rose pink. Oh, look how pretty it is. Can you guys see? Oh, you're looking at my window too. But anyways, this is the rose pink. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this rose pink on the thing, on the brush. I'm just gonna try to go in the middle maybe. Let's try that. Just very gently putting that on there. Seeing what happens. So pretty. Can you guys see? Okay, now I'm just gonna go crazy and I'm gonna put this bronze color, the sparkly color, in the corners and see what that does. Okay, here we go. Oh, wow, that was a lot. Okay, I'm gonna take some of that off with my finger. Oh, you know what? I think this is one of those eyeshadows that you're supposed to do with your finger. Should we try that? Like, you know how people do that? I love watching people put on eyeshadow. Like, I watch so many videos of people doing it. Oh my god, oops. I did not mean to do that. Clean brush to remove sins. What do you guys think? Okay, and I know one thing is you're supposed to put eyeshadow underneath, which I literally never do because I always feel like it calls attention to the puffiness I have under my eyes, which are just genetic. It's just the way my eyes are. But you know what? Let's just try it for fun. I'm gonna use this little brush that I have. What color do you think should like go underneath? Maybe, ooh, you know what? I'm gonna mix two colors. I feel like people do that. I'm gonna mix, what is this? Sienna and burnt orange, which I use on the top. I'm just gonna mix both. I feel like I've seen people do that, right? Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. I feel like I never do this because I always get eyeshadow in my contacts and I have really dry eyes. And so whenever I get eyeshadow, whoops, there goes my brush. Whenever I get eyeshadow in my contacts, it gets so dry. You know what I mean? Like in your eyes. So I feel like I never go underneath because I always get it in my eyes. But yeah. Okay. That's the look. Should we blend a little more? I literally don't know. I feel like I might have blended too much. Whoa, it's intense. It's really intense. I feel like I need to blend this out more and like do something here. I just don't know what. I think I went like too far up with the color. I don't know. Is it too dark? What do you guys think? I think it looks okay. The colors are gorgeous, honestly. Like, I'm obsessed with the colors. I just feel like maybe my application skills could use some work. Oh, and then I think you have to put a little bit highlight up here, right? Like on the brow bone. Glistening. Should we try that one here? Just a little bit. I feel like I forgot that I could use my fingers. I was so into using this brush that came with the palette. Definitely not gonna put on eyeliner because I already feel like there's a lot going on. But I do feel like I should put on mascara. So I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. By the way, I just got this mascara and it's amazing. It's honestly really hard to wash off. It's that good and it has the most amazing brush. I'm gonna show it to you in a second. Okay, look at that. How nice is that? And it has this brush that looks like this. I love these kinds of brushes. And it's from the drugstore. It's literally Maybelline's Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Waterproof. It's amazing. I don't put mascara on my under eyelashes, my bottom eyelashes, because I don't really have many of them. Anyways, so that was this. If you can see just from like one use, how it kind of got like, it's a little chalky, which I feel like usually good eyeshadow shouldn't be like that. But this is a good brand, so maybe all eyeshadows just get like that, and I've just never used a palette and they just get dirty after using them. This is the finished look. What do you guys think? Literally, I'm not going anywhere because of coronavirus, so I'm just doing this makeup just for you guys and for myself to practice, because I feel like I didn't want to do eyeshadow at a time when I knew I had to be somewhere just in case it looked bad and I had to like take time to take it off and figure everything out. And so I wanted to do it at a time when I had time, and today I did. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. I think it's pretty cool. It kind of reminds me of like a sunset, you know, like those kinds of colors. Sorry, I'm just like trying to, I realize that I feel like it should be more. I've heard you can also, I've seen people put like concealer here and then just blending that in so that you have like a more defined line here, which I may or may not do, but honestly I'm just going to the grocery store, so if even that, honestly, I might just stay home. But yeah, so that's the look. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any tips or advice on eyeshadow application, please let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and talk to you guys soon. Bye.